Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com. Just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1965 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we got the 347 Ford, power forged pistons in there, roller lifter camshaft, new timing cover, new balancer, proper oil pan for the 65 Mustang, front sump oil pan, brass freeze plugs in there, painted the Ford blue, aluminum cylinder heads on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, black Taylor ignition wires, American made, all the wire markers are on there. It's real nice ball milled polished valve covers with the matching 14-inch air cleaner with the washable element. Distributor set in place. We have the MSC ignition coil in there, quick fuel carburetor, fuel pumps on there, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel lines with all the lube clamps, gas filters on there, oil pressure extension installed, breezy hookup, proper automatic flex plate, the customer's AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 347 Ford. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for easy hookup. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. It'll be completely dialed in. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature, timing will be set, carburetor adjusted, ready to go. We also put this polished Raptor serpentine pulley kit on here, 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, proper lower hose inlet on the passenger side for the 65 Mustang. Thermostat housings installed, thermostats installed in there, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup, power steering pumps on there. So this way you get it, complete turnkey, ready to go. 347 Ford, 425 horsepower turnkey package engine. Thanks for watching.